Welcome campers and friends. Today I'm going to be unboxing this really heavy UROD Fire from Lifedoo. It's a portable camping stove, and I actually won this on a giveaway. So we're going to open it up here. We got some stainless steel grating. Some more stainless steel grating. Let me get the knife out of my pocket. Let me cut these zip ties loose. I've got 3 metal flats. This is heavy quality, that's for sure. Definitely worth buying if you're looking for a little portable grill. This is all of it right here. And you have the ash pan tray, whatever you want to call it. So let's get this thing set up, see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to assemble it right here on the table real fast. Start out with this. And that'll go on the side. That right there, friends, is it. It's that fast. Time clock on the front says 2 minutes. Took me a little less than that to get it all together. Set it up. Wow. It's a good size cooking grade. Oh. I recognize what I done wrong. This actually goes down in here. Take that off. That makes more sense. Okay. That actually goes down here. Then you can put this rod back here. Put your grating right back on top. Then voila. There you go. Now if you take and move this over, the size has 2 different sizes. So if you move it here and here, then you don't have to have that center. for a smaller grill. I guess if you just wanted a fire pit, maybe you could do it like this. So let's check it out the other way too. Okay, here it is assembled on the smaller side, where you have two different sizes here you can go. This is on the smaller side. You still use metal rack in the bottom, and then your cooking rack just right there, and sits on top. Really easy to put together. Seems to be a really nice little fire pit grill. Pretty heavy duty, it's thick, very nice. Wait to try me out a burger on this after a while. Thanks for watching this episode where I'm unboxing the UROD Fire by Lifedoo. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go check them out, their website. They have an Instagram account, go check them out there as well. They are just starting out. They're from Australia. If you're interested in something like this, I highly suggest you go check them out. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the notification bells for future content. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you out later.